Hi, this is Chris from CN Marketing, and today I'm going to show you what our image galleries look like inside of our apps. As you can see, I'm currently on our website. What you can do is go to cnmarketing.co.za and then just click on the menu and on the shop, and you'll see that we've got close to 50 modules here that you can choose from when taking an app with CN Marketing, when choosing CN Marketing as your app development company. And what we're going to look at today is the image galleries. So here we go. Image galleries, these are just two example images of what it can look like. And then our description is create albums, post appealing photos of products or services, as well as showcase employee unity and team building. Sync to social media accounts, and this module is included in our basic app. So let me show you what it looks like inside of an app. This is Eat Out of the Box. This gallery was pulled through from Facebook. If there was more than one gallery, you will find them there in the green section, but Eat Out of the Box only has one gallery. To see the images, you can just click on them and then you can scroll through them. So currently we've got the ability to pull through images from Picasa, Flickr, Instagram, and you can create a custom gallery as well. We are busy redeveloping the Facebook API as Facebook changed their API, so all developers need to redo their APIs to pull through the image galleries from Facebook. So this is the image gallery, and have a nice day.